Well, we're getting a bit of rain in southern Illinois. This is this is on sloping ground. The ditches here are mostly non-existent, and all the rain off of the fields is running right down the road. Half a mile ahead is Shelton Creek, and I'm not even going to try to get there. There's a culvert between here and where the creek will be across the road, and if that culvert's washed out, you can't tell it. So anyway, what a mess. Lisa and I are going to see if we can find another way to get back to the other place. Oh, that we don't have ditches here. Oh boy. And then if I got across Shelton Creek, there's a mile and a half of road through flat ground that sits higher than the road, and that road will be up to my hubs in water for a mile, for over a mile, if I did get across Shelton Creek. Anyway, not even going to try that. I'm going to go around and see if I can find another way out. Yeah, I turned around and went north, thinking I might go out over Oxford Creek. And before I even get up to where I can see Oxford Creek, here's water shooting across the road about half a mile north of our house. Well, just actually a quarter mile north of the house. And you can see water ripping there by those weeds. And there is water ripping there. That is a culvert there. And these culverts are dangerous when you get a major rain like this. They can sometimes flush out and there won't be a road there. They'll wash down and you get a big hole. Anyway, you try not to drive over those things when you can't see the road. These culverts are real dangerous. Anyway, gonna try another way. Here's an interesting spot. This is another place where the ditches haven't been maintained. Here you see water jumps out of the ditch up there in the center of the photo and comes down. It's cutting the channel across the road to go to the other side of the road there. And the ditches hard to maintain on these gravel roads. Farmers run semis on these, and they often have to move grain when the roads are soft. And boy, they iron that road surface out into the ditch. Pretty soon you don't have a ditch. And then this is one of the results right here. And here, going around, trying to stay mostly on high ground. I'm going by a little farm pond, and it comes up here. The water comes up here and runs under the road, and I can see the road. This has gone down from about 2 hours ago. A couple hours ago, I came over this spot, and the road was totally underwater. Now it's still got water, but you can see the gravel now. But boy, look at that rip. That is somebody's pond, and water is really ripping out of it. Okay, we're going to continue on here. Getting up on some high ground, having to go down, slow down here, don't want to drown out. Place where the ditch doesn't have any water. Up on top of a hill here, and that ditch is totally full of water. I gotta go through a little spot up ahead here. So anyway, I'm stuck. Nobody ain't washed out. Through here. Okay. ahead, I got to drive through water if I go straight, but I can take a turn on a road off to one side. It's a little used road, but it has a tire. I'm gonna go up here to the next road sign, take a little detour, but I don't really need the place if I'm moving straight. Yeah, right here. Through a low place there. Turn here. Yeah, turn here. That's what I'm gonna do. You know, if I go ahead, I gotta go through some deep water up there. Turn. Oh man, this road sucks too. Oh, that sucks. That's too bad. I'm gonna back up. That really sucks. This road does not feel good. It feels soft. Time to find out if it's good all the way. You get up there and then be able to back out. It's not good. I came through here a couple hours ago. We'll see how it goes. This is the best way, I guess. Next low spot up here I haven't made. Slow down and feel water coming across the road here. Holy cats. Stop sign up there. Go through one more little low spot here. We got it made. Definitely. Water running in there from the side. Oh my gosh. The water was blowing out here. Oh my gosh. I'll get to this corner and got it made. We usually go around this block. Usually go around the block that way. I checked that out earlier, and for a good half a mile here, all this water is running down the road just like a river. And I know it gets deep up there toward the end. I've done that before, don't want to do it this time. Anyway. I think we got it made. There's her school. Made it here. Got it made now. Holy cats. Look at the water here. I thought it would be right up out of it by now. We are on high ground here. This is high ground. Look at the water we're driving. Holy cow. There, we're up out of it. Out across this drainage up ahead. Let's see how this looks like. Okay, we're good there. That. place where fields run across the road. This isn't even at a culvert. This ditch is just totally clogged up there. Okay. And I'm out to the blacktop. Shoot on into Dahlgren and then on back to the place. Holy cow. Well, thank you for visiting. We'll catch you later.